Hi everyone, hope you all doing good. This video is all about people who are looking for an opportunity. You wish to start something, you're looking to earn money and you don't know what to do. This is probably best for the people who have lost their job in this current scenario and they are looking for some new opportunity or want to collaborate with someone. Or they are young people who are just passed out of school or college but they are looking to start something and earn money straight away, or want to just study and earn money through a business basically. And the third one is basically people who are doing work at their home or they have enough time to start some side hustle. We are open for anyone and everyone who wish to collaborate, start something, but this will require actual hard work. So there's no scheme or something like that, or you can just sit back at home, open your laptop and everything will be done. So you have to give that effort, and trust me, there's at least you can earn from 50,000 to 5 lakh rupees monthly. Process, what will be the process, how will it be done? Don't worry about it, we'll guide you with everything. There'll be some cold calling, there'll be some client handling, follow-ups and everything. We'll guide you with everything. No rocket science, but yes, you have to have that consistency in the work, and the outcome is like sky is the limit, trust me. What are the possible ways? You can be an associate with us. So we'll decide on what project we can do together, and we'll decide on a basic percentage with you. So whatever leads we generate with you, so we'll give that percentage to you on the business we generate through your leads. Second one is you can work as a channel partner, or we'll give you a franchisee unit where there'll be a certain kind of investment from at least 10 to 20 lakh rupees, but we'll decide on a project, we'll work on together as a partner, and I'll give you all the finances, that what is the amount of investment required, what will be the return, and how much will you be able to earn through it. So I'll guide you with everything about it. And the third one is basically if you're looking for a fixed pay, we'll hire a few people who are good at sales and marketing so that we can also expand, and we'll have a certain percentage sharing with you. I've mentioned the two numbers below. You can directly reach us out. We are open for any kind of collaborations. If you have anything in your mind and which we can do together, we can basically have a win-win situation for both of us. Thank you. Stay safe at home.